Hello everyone, my name is Lily and today I wanna show you new console table from Wisfor company. Sintered stone tabletop, stain resistant, scratch resistant and heat resistant, and aluminum frame legs, which is very stable, not rust, not damage. Very good item for your interior. The size and color very convenient from the interior, black with white, very classy design. The size is 78 centimeters by 118 centimeters. I'm 1.60 m and very comfortable and friendly, can bring another things from the tabletop. That's all sharing for today. See you next time. Bye bye!